Hey guys, Brandon Strozik back to you with True Blue TV. We are here in Minneapolis going through one of our properties that we just finished on our turnkey division. For those of you who do not know what our turnkey division is, basically it's where we handle everything from the cost to the project, design and finish, and we get paid by the title company at closing. So it's a big program for all our realtors and individuals that have more cash in the bank versus liquid cash that they can spend on a project before they go and sell their house. So as we're here, basic stuff would be painting, carpet, vanity light fixtures, vanities, and some updated plumbing. Come along and I'll show you what we did. So in the kitchen area, pretty simple. It was just a simple paint, deep clean, and a new oven, and a new fan. Over here, all we touched was just the carpet. So we did carpet it all where the old carpet used to be, which is just this main floor, and then the basement level, which we'll see in a minute. So this was just a paint throughout. Nothing changed. They decided to stay with the original flooring. We did get a new vanity top in here, as well as a light fixture. Bedroom 1 and 2, pretty much the same exact thing, just paint. Same thing. Now, major thing you guys are gonna see a big change from the before and afters that we'll show you is this bathroom right here. So before, it had carpet in there. The shower was facing the other way. And truthfully, it was just disgusting. Like, who would have carpet in their bathroom? But as you can see here, fully renovated. We actually turned the shower this way, so it's more easily accessible. You have more room to use the toilet. And we installed a new vanity, painted everything, new mirror, new light fixtures. And then in the family guest room, the living room, we just painted, new carpet, super quick, super easy. This whole project with plumbing, pulling permits, everything like that, took us 4 weeks to complete from start to finish. All right, guys, and then make sure you click subscribe and follow us on True Blue TV as we are growing this company and our division. Check in for more. See you soon.